वेल एक साल पूरा हो चुका है, तो सबसे पहली बात नीता जी आपको बहुत-बहुत मुबारक हो फॉर द नीता वसीम चैट शो एंड गाइस आई थिंक शी इज़ जस्ट सो अमेजिंग शी इज़ बड़ा बड़ी बड़ी क्यूट से सवाल पूछती हैं, बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल पूछती हैं एंड शी मेक्स इट वेरी हार्ट टू हार्ट, यू नो इट डज़न्ट फील लाइक एन इंटरव्यू, इट फील्स लाइक मोर ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन एंड मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया नीता जी के साथ बात करते-करते एंड अगर आपने इनके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड जस्ट एन्जॉय द दिल से दिल तक शोज़।
We got lots and lots of questions from your fans from
ओके,
all over the world. From America, of course, from India, from Bangladesh, from Pakistan.
या
Okay. So now our this segment is going to be only you and your fans.
ऑलराइट लेट्स गो फॉर इट।
You will be answering your fans' questions. So,
एब्सोल्युटली,
uh, Rahul, tell us, how did you feel while proposing to Disha on national TV and not being able to get an answer at that moment or see her reaction?
Proposing to her was something which came naturally, which felt beautiful, but not getting her answer was very troublesome. It troubled me a lot. मेरे को बहुत उन्होंने मेरे को मेरी बहुत बजाई है एंड मेरे को बहुत घुमाया है सलमान सर ने, कलर्स वालों ने, बिग बॉस वालों ने पता नहीं क्या-क्या बातें बोली कि बिग दिशा बैंकॉक चली गई है, शायद किसी और के साथ अफेयर हो गया, पता नहीं क्या-क्या बातें बोली मुझे, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल ब्यूटीफुल।
How was your experience shooting with Disha for the song Madhaniya?
It was very natural uh, because when we shoot, because we are together, because we're a couple, honestly, it doesn't feel like we are working. It just feels like we are just spending another day together. But the only difference is with makeup and costumes.
Are you happy with Madhaniya's success?
Absolutely. And I feel you should do quality work. And I, as an artist, as a singer, I'm very, very happy. I think it's one of my best works.
Your favorite Instagram or Twitter handle to stalk?
Can I name a girl? I mean, I think Disha will kill me if I do that. So I don't want to risk it. I love stalking Nora Fatehi. I think she's hot.
What is your daily routine during lockdown?
Thankfully, lockdown hasn't been actually a lockdown for me because I've been doing a lot of stuff digitally. Uh, it is collaborations or we shooting for different brands, doing digital concerts for different people. So honestly, lockdown hasn't been like a lockdown for me. But I wake up at about 10:30. I'm a late riser because I sleep late. Honestly, I've become better after Big Boss, but before Big Boss, तो मैं 12:30 1 बजे उठता था because I used to sleep by 4 and 5 in the morning. So now I sleep by about 1:32, and then I wake up by about 10:30, and then I have my breakfast. I go to the gym in about 2 hours. एंड आई मीन लॉकडाउन में क्या ही जिम करोगे, जो भी आप नीचे जाके कर सकते हो वो कर लेते हो एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट। देन आई कम होम and then I get onto my social media. So lots of time of the day is actually spent on social media, and then connecting with friends, making music, and then spending time with family and Disha, of course. So that's how my daily routine is.
Your fans want you to mimic Disha. So let's see that.
I've never done this actually before. And आप क्या करा रहे हो मेरे से यार?
Your
मैंने कभी
fans want it.
मैंने कभी उसकी मूवी नहीं करी नहीं है। क्या कर रही हो? हेलो, बेबी फोटो भेजो ना। That's what she does actually. That's all.
Pretty good. You did a pretty good job with
कर
that.
रही हो? क्या कर रहे हो? हम्म, ओ इतना काम कौन करता है बेबी? बस करो अभी। Something like she does something like that, and it's very cute.
So next question is, what keeps you motivated in life?
The love that I get from fans, uh, it just it just motivates me to better myself every day and keep on giving them stuff which can make them proud and which can make them feel worth it of loving someone like me.
They want to know, are you releasing some other videos soon?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I would like to, I've always said this in all my interviews, uh, because I'm a musician and because other Big Boss contestants, they just have to come and act. Because I'm a singer, I have to sing the song first. Singing takes time, and then song procedure takes time. Then I have to act in it. So I'm doing double work, you see. That's why, and again, I choose my projects very, very carefully. I mean, I don't want to do everything that comes my way. I choose stuff and I just want to do the best.
Why don't you do a video with Shehnaz and Siddharth?
Honestly, I would love to. I really haven't thought about it, but I think it'll be great. And I think they both are damn cool, very sweet, and I know them both personally. I think they're very, very cute.
Okay, another fan wants to know, are you going to do a Khatro Ke Khiladi next?
I haven't thought about it. There are a lot of offers actually, but let's see what I eventually sign.
Now this person, she's from Bangladesh and she's your diehard fan, and her name is Rika. And she said that you came to Dhaka last time and she wants you to come to her city called Chittagong. Chittagong?
Chittagong, Chittagong. In fact, I have been to Chittagong. Yeah.
Okay, so she may not have seen you in Chittagong, so she wants you to come to Chittagong. And she wants you to say hi to Rika because she said you will make her life, you will make her day, you will make her, I don't know. She wrote so much about you. She's your diehard fan. So she wants
Hi
to.
Rika, hi Rika, a big hug to you. I'm not just gonna say a hi to you. I'm gonna hug you and do a lot of puchi puchi with you. I hope you're doing good. Bangladesh happens to be one of my favorite destinations as an artist. बहुत अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पे perform करके. I think people there are music fanatics. They love music. They love Indian performers and singers. I have done two shows in Dhaka. I've done many shows in Dhaka, but I remember this one tour wherein I had done two shows in Dhaka and two in Chittagong. So that's how I remember going to Chittagong. I have also been to a city called Sylhet in Dhaka in Bangladesh, and I personally love Bangladesh. I have a lot of friends there, nice people. I love Bangladesh.
Oh, very nice. I mean, here also we have very good Bangladeshi community. I just love them.
Oh, absolutely. They're just so nice.
Very nice. This fan is, her name is Farah Khan. I'm not sure she's from Bangladesh or she's from Pakistan. She wants you to say her salam alaikum and just pass your regards to her.
हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम आई होप यू डूइंग गुड आपको रमजान की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको ईद की एडवांस में बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद एंड आई होप आप खुश रहें आपके परिवार वाले स्वस्थ रहें and take care. Thank you so much for all your love. I get so much of love from Pakistan. I can't tell you, it's just so I get so many tweets, I get so many messages. Just beautiful. Thank you.
Your fans want you to make that song Ali Ali song जो आपने Big Boss House में किया था. Your fans wants you to record that song.
I just want to tell you and all the fans, just wait and watch.
कुछ लाइनें हो जाएं बिग बॉस हाउस में अली अली की.
तेरी आंखें मुझसे है जुड़ी, मेरी सांसें तुझसे है मिली, तेरी आंखें मुझसे है जुड़ी, मेरी सांसें तुझसे है मिली, पलकों से लेकर कदमों तलक मुझ में अली अली अली, तेरी आंखें मुझसे है जुड़ी, मेरी सांसें तुझसे है मिली.
So one last message, what would you like to give to your fans?
Thank you for all the love. You make me what I am. Honestly, I'm nothing without you all. Please keep up all the love forever. ऐसा ही अपना प्यार बना के रखो. Because मुझे और किसी चीज की चाहत नहीं है. I'm very greedy for fan love. And वो जितना मिले उतना कम ही लगता है. So please keep all your love. Just take care of your family, your parents, your loved ones, and your own self. Just be happy. चिल करो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, वर्कआउट करो, बाकी बाकी सब कुछ फर्स्ट क्लास।